Audi A4 30 TFSI, model 2018, register Sindh, mileage 28,000 kms, B2b Genuine, Audi Maintained, front independent suspension, 3-zone auto climate control, Audi music interface, lighting package, cruise control, Audi advanced key, multifunction steering wheel, high-gloss exterior trim, Bi-xenon headlights, LED daytime running lights, headlights washers, power sunroof, 4-way power driver lumbar support, memory for driver's seat and mirrors positions, high-gloss black instrument cluster, 4-wheel ABS, electronic brake force distribution, front and rear parking sensors, passenger airbag, pre-tensioner, front and rear side airbags, rear view camera. Contact 0321 for 598 93. Sigma Motors opposite you, CP Lahore.